Boil eggs this way and you will never get bored of eating them. Crack the egg into a strainer while the water is boiling. Wait 3 minutes. Put the eggs on a plate. Look, the egg is cooked just right. The yolk is fatty, not green or dry. Let's enjoy the food together. Rumors of a trick to thread a needle in just 1 second are spreading rapidly in nursing homes. Use the core of discarded electric wire. Double it. Fix it back to the coin with glue. Thread a needle into the core of a wire. Then thread the thread through. The last step is simple, right? Here are some tips about this handle. Is your cabinet handle broken? Use it instead, quick and convenient. Attach to toilet lid. You will not be afraid of dirty hands anymore. Keeps your broom from falling over after use. How cool is that? Washing dishes with a steel wool pad hurts your hands. Cut plastic bottles like I am doing. Then just wrap it in the plastic bottle and you're done. You can wash hundreds of dishes without fear of the steel plate getting stuck in your hands. Dry pillows this way and never worry about them falling off. Use a zip tie to tie the 2 clothes hangers together. Adjust to fit pillow size. The pillow is now held securely inside the clothes hanger. You will not be afraid of any wind blowing your pillow away anymore. The house is newly built, but the tile floor is scratched. Pour toilet cleaner on the scratch and wait 5 minutes. Use a sponge to wipe and the scratch is suddenly gone. Keep your bathroom smelling fresh, learn this way. Put baking soda in a small bowl. Next, add a few cloves. Add a little essential oil. Wrap in aluminum foil. Pierce a few small holes to keep the scent longer. Finally, place it anywhere you want. The scent will make you feel extremely comfortable. Especially the scent will last quite a long time. One more tip for you. Old plastic bags should not be left lying around. Just thread them together with a safety pin like this. Hang it on a hook and take it out when in use. Apply baby oil to the bandage. Remove it easily and without any discomfort. Pillowcases with sweat and old stains. It's simple. Put pillowcase in sink. Use a few spoons of baking soda. A little toothpaste. A little vinegar. And a little laundry detergent. Pour boiling water into the above mixture. Soak the pillowcase for 15 minutes. Look how the stains have completely come off the pillowcase. Please save this great recipe. Water often overflows from the pot when cooking. Simple fix. Just rub a little cooking oil around the pot and you're done. Your kitchen will always be clean. Don't rush to throw the cake box in the trash. Cut this way and you will have a neat newspaper holder. Look what I do with this cardboard box. Cut it this way, then put food and drinks in. We'll surprise your kids. Your clothes are greasy. Use salt, vinegar, and dishwashing liquid to scrub. Salt, vinegar, and dish soap are a powerful combination for cleaning and disinfecting. Rub the mixture on the grease stain. Rinse with clean water. Clothes are like new again. Tie a tie in 30 seconds. You will be surprised to see.